Trap Watchers, what's going on? Today is August 17th, 2021. Man, I really want to come in and show you all some things on the price chart for Tesla that I need to bring to your attention. You may get some people out there that continue to tell you that the market is always, and I mean always, a buy when that's simply not the case. There's some things that I've noticed over the couple of days in Tesla that I wanted to talk about. So I'm glad you're here. But if today's your first time ever seeing our videos and you actually appreciate someone here that is giving you something simple that you can see, that you can understand, welcome to the club. Welcome to the team. We're here. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. I will also recommend that you tap that bell notification, because one thing about us is you want to know when things change, right? I think you would appreciate someone telling you, hey, I see the market changing. We got you. Make sure you tap that bell, because whenever we create these videos, you have a notification. Market will let you know of some things, and we don't do these videos just for entertainment purposes only. We also want to learn where the market is headed, right? We also want to learn, okay, how can we determine where price is going to go? So hit us up, join the team. Now, this could be considered breaking news, right? It doesn't mean that it's happening right now, but it's breaking in the sense that I'm seeing something on the chart that people may not be seeing already, right? Is Tesla's price, or is Tesla's price about to crash? I know, relax, calm down. When I say that, when I ask you that question, I want to create into your mind that I'm seeing a change, right? The market in Tesla has been in an upward trend, right? From our last price prediction, which was on July the 30th, you guys can see it. We anticipated that the price in Tesla was going to go higher, and we even identified where we would expect to see a turn or a switch in price movement, right? We identified that. So we're not surprised that the market in Tesla could not break above what? $725. We're not surprised. In fact, we told you on that video to be prepared to grab some profits around that particular level. Did you do that? Did you get that 6% out the market? Because yesterday the market in Tesla traded around $685, which reduces our profitability. This is why you need to know when you're going to get into the market, when you're going to get out. This is one of the biggest reasons why people want you to be long-term investors. They want you to hold these stocks for 100 years. Just imagine you holding a particular position for 100 years, right? They want you to hold it for 20, 25, 30, 40 years. Come on. You got to know your exit. You don't want to overstay your welcome. You want to come into the store, come and pick out your product, go to the cash register, pay for it, and you walk out. This is just the same. The stock market is the same. It's called a market for a reason. This is where all the buyers and the sellers come. So you don't overstay your welcome when you go into any retail store, do you? No, you came in for what you came to get and you leave. You move on. This is the same place. So that would have been 6.14%. But if you were to get out on the close of yesterday, that's around 1%. You can see that reduction in profitability right there. But it's cool. I mean, at least you got more than what you came into with, right? I think it's time for us to let this go, though. So now, one thing that the market has confirmed for us is this horizontal line right here. The trap confirmed that this area is still a viable restriction point. We've seen numerous days to where the market in Tesla could not even break above this line, $725. That's important. So as we see that, we're going to continue to watch the price in Tesla alongside $725. We already know where we're going to go, because that is the problem. $725. As long as price remains below that number, we know that we're going to go lower, or at best, we're going to consolidate. We're going to continue to see this market trade sideways. Those are the two outcomes that we can expect now. So look at this. This is the market in Tesla on the 2-day time frame. Like when you see this of how the market was literally trading in a tight range, look at this. Very tight range. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 days of trading that Tesla was bouncing in between $700 and $725. And then just on this last completed 2-day price bar, we saw the break. That's a lot of information for us. This is why this is breaking news. It's because we're seeing a change occur in Tesla's price. The market failed at breaking $725 to the upside. I mean, come on. You can see that for what it is. Now, we give the trap an A for effort because he tried. He tried to break the price in Tesla in the market above $725. He just wasn't successful at it though, which is terrible news for those who are looking for the price to go higher. So even in that sense alone, we're going to play the weakness, right? Now, is the market going to crash? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just simply wanted to prepare you that the price is going to go lower. You know, we're going to anticipate that Tesla's price is going to go to the downside. So now we established that. So the next thing that we need to establish is, okay, cool. If we're expecting the price to go lower, how low, right? Because we still have this ascending line that is able to prop up Tesla's price right there. So when you come into the market in Tesla, you got to make sure you don't overstay your welcome. You remember what I said earlier? So yes, even though we're playing the weakness to the market in Tesla, we got to be prepared of when we need to walk out the store. And I'm seeing around $665 back down to like $640. That's it, right? Do you consider that a crash? I don't, especially if we continue to maintain that ascending line. Okay. This is the 5-day. Because currently, yeah, the market is weak, but I'm not seeing it to the point that, you know, we're going to break the ascending line yet. I don't see that on the chart. So I said what? We're going to play the weakness here, i.e. we're going to expect the price to go lower in Tesla, right? We're going to hold $725 as restriction. And we understand as long as price trades below $725, we're going to either continue to go lower, or 2, we're going to continue to trade sideways, right? And I said that 665 would be our first area TP, which gives us around 3%. I mean, we'll take it. We're not exactly trying to be in these plays long, not for Tesla, not on this price prediction. So we'll take that 3%. And then I told you around like 640. And that's around 6.67. And that's it. So to see the market dip another 6.67%, it's not a crash, but it is a movement lower. And are you prepared for that? Right? That's the question. Many people will want you to buy every freaking product that's available in the stock market. They just want you to buy it. But everything is not always a buy. Sometimes you need to wait until it gets cheaper. And right now, we're waiting for Tesla to bring down this price a little bit cheaper before we'll grab the profit and move on. All right, so that's the play. I want to know, without being too complex, let me know where you all think the price of Tesla is going to go, right? You guys can see it. I'm not overly bearish. I'm not telling you that the market is done with going higher, but I'm telling you that we need to be prepared for some lower prices, right? You got to be prepared for that. So this is our updated price prediction in Tesla. I want you all to tell me, what do you see into the market? You know, do you think we're going to break $725 to the upside, or do you think we're going to continue to go lower? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.